Hey, this is Susan from SmokerGrillGirl.com, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be grilling a ribeye on the Pit Boss Pellet grill. And what we did was we actually seasoned it last night and put it in a seasoning bag, and we seasoned it with garlic powder, kosher salt, and coarse black pepper. I really like this restaurant style coarse black pepper because it actually tastes like pepper when you bite into it, and that's the reason that it has this brownish tint color to it, and it's not the red that you're used to seeing. Now, the cooking temperature is going to vary depending on the thickness of your steak, and as you can see, we like ours pretty thick. And what we want to do is we're going to actually cook it to a nice medium, which is 135 to 145 in internal temperature, and we're going to leave it on each side for 5 minutes, and hopefully when we pull it off it's going to have some pinkish tint to it. And so we will keep checking the temperature to make sure that it doesn't exceed the cooking temperature. And another thing, when you're cooking steak, you want to make sure that you pull it off before it reaches the highest temperature, because it's going to continue cooking during the resting period. So let's take it outside and put it on the grill, and I'll see you out there in a bit. Alright, so the temperature is 400, and we're going to go ahead and stick the steak on the grill. And we got the meat probe in there. We're going to move it over just a tad bit. And we've got the meat probe in it. So I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. And you want to wear a glove because it gets hot when you close it. So I'm going to close the lid. And then we're going to go ahead and put the meat probe into the probe thing, in little probe thing here, and then we're just going to monitor that, and we're going to leave it on there for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back to check the thermometer. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes since we've had the steak on one side, so we're going to go ahead and flip it to the opposite side. Alright, so I'm going to leave it 5 minutes on that side, and then we will check the temperature, and hopefully it will be done. Remember, we're getting it to medium, so it's going to have some pink in it. Alright, so the steak is ready now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove it from the grill. So, let me remove this glove. Alright. We're just going to pull this out. Put this right here. And I'll just stick this right here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the steak inside and let it rest, and then we'll be back for the taste test. Alright, so the steak has rested for about 7 to 10 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and cut it open so that you can see the inside. And remember, we actually like our steak medium, so we should see some pinkish coloring to it right here. And as when we checked the temperature on the grill, it was 135, which is what you want if you like your steak medium. And as I mentioned earlier, you will cook your steak. The steak will be dependent on how long you cook it, depending on how thick it is and how well you like your steak cooked. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and take a bite and see how it tastes. Very good flavor. It's you can actually taste the smoke on it. It tastes really good. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video about how to cook a ribeye on the Pit Boss Pellet Grill. Be sure and stop by my website at SmokerGrillGirl.com, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Tastes really good, though.